Today, I want to salute the brave soldiers of our country who have sacrificed their everything for us and our nation. One such leader was 23 years old Gurtej Singh, who was awarded Veer Chakra Award in War of China-India skirmishes on 26 January 2021. He hailed from Birawala village in Punjab's Mansa district. He joined the army in December 2018. He had always been keen to serve the army, and the dream came true when he joined the Sikh regiment. On the evening of 15 June 2020, the 16th Bihar Regiment was posted in the valley and came under immense fire. The 3 Punjab's Khatak platoon was called upon to reinforce the outmaneuvered fighters. The immediate RD Regiment Sikh gunners rushed out to help to carry their customary kirpan and an assortment of sticks, rods, and sharp knives only. Sources from the military state that 4 Chinese soldiers attacked Singh. He swung around 2 of them, and as 2 others tried to pin him down, he dragged all 4 of them towards the cliff and flung them over. He lost his balance through the slip, but he got stuck in a boulder that stopped his free fall. His mortal remains reached home on 19 June 2020, where the final rites were conducted amidst full military honors. Leaders of military and government paid their homage to this brave heart. Slogans of Gurtej Singh Amar Rahe and Bole So Nihal Sat Sri Akal were heard from the many villages from the around his native village. His father said, "There's the grief of losing a son, but I also feel proud of the fact that he laid down his life for the country." He was supposed to attend his brother's wedding a week prior, but decided to stay back at the poet as the situation in Galwan Valley was tensed. Gurtej Singh might not be there anymore amongst us, but it is inspiring and a lesson for not only me. We salute the brave heart for his sacrifice. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.